we run a boat.
So
Say
mek,
we
run a boat.
Boat. Like a boat. Like
boat.
a regular boat.
A boat.
Yeah. Mek we run a boat.
Hello. Welcome to Cooking with Kunji's Wife. We're doing something a little different today. We're showing off some of my skills in the kitchen, which is baking. So I originally made this bread because my husband wanted to do some sandwiches. And I really like a good rustic bread for a nice sandwich, something that really can kind of hold its own. This bread we've always kind of taken a recipe and adapted it as our own and have made several variations until we kind of got the recipe right. So you get to benefit from what we've already kind of perfected. Every time I make this bread for people, it is a huge hit. And all it does is takes a couple hours out of your life just to make it, but only in about 15-minute intervals. So usually it takes me 15 minutes to make the dough, and then you let it rise for an hour. And then 5 minutes to knead it, and then you let it rise again for 30 minutes, and then you bake it. So for this recipe, you will need a Dutch oven, or something that is like a cast iron that has walls high enough because you really want it to steam and crust the bottom, and really kind of get it crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Trust me, this is something you're definitely going to want at home to impress any guests that you have coming over. We usually slice this in pretty thick slices. Really kind of lets my husband whatever he's cooked shine. You can see that this bread is full of garlic and rosemary. You can also use any other herb that you want. If you're going to use a dry herb, use half of the what it calls for a fresh, so a tablespoon instead of 2 tablespoons. And you know, we've tried this with dill, and it was very good. I don't recommend dried rosemary just because it's very pungent, but if you do decide to do that, I'd say to do about a tablespoon or less, so a very loose tablespoon.
Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Thank you, Susie, for showing us how to make this bread. Susie doesn't eat pork, so I get the sample. Oh, good.
Cheers. Very refreshing.
This rum cocktail is going to be on the channel soon. Also, it's going to be on my Instagram. Go ahead and check it out.